Jessie from the Swing Project, and in this video we're looking at variations for our 8-count Lindy Hop footwork. In part 1, we replace beats 1 and 2, our usual step-step, with a kickball change, and in this part we're going to look at replacing 5 and 6 with that same variation. Let's take another look at that 8-count basic, starting on the right foot. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, step, step, triple. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You'll notice that at the end of 3 and 4, my weight goes over to my right leg at the end of the triple step. Triple step. That means that my left is free. Normally, I would do a step, step on 5 and 6. Step, step. This time though, we're going to sub in that new variation of a kickball change on 5 and 6. This means that we need to learn to do it on our left leg as well. This time, we kick on our left, kick, step onto the ball of that left foot, and replace our weight on the right foot. We want to make sure that this is bouncing all the way through, but we keep it relatively on the same plane so it doesn't become an upwards pogoing kind of motion. Let's give it a try. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Kickball change, kickball change, kickball change, kickball change. Let's try popping it in to our 8-count basic. We'll do one basic to start and then pop in that new variation. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, step, step, give it a try. Step, step, triple, kickball change, triple. Step, step, triple, kickball change, triple. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now if you've watched both parts of this video, you can try each variation to a track of your choice.